Morning, guys. Finished our breakfast. Another little beach walk. Me and Vernita. We're at the property next door that they keep trying to get us to come and do timeshare for. Fucking flies on the beach today. I'm gonna walk down. Horseback riding in the morning if you want it. Go check out yesterday's video.
Morning, guys.
What's up, boss? Check out yesterday's video. Some sunset beach videos of just walking on the beach at night during the sunset. This is a morning walk right after breakfast. Work them.
We just got up there and pulled her hair and got up there.
Which one?
The white horse.
Yeah.
That's what the, if I was a horse, I'd kick his ass.
Probably why the bird flew away this morning.
We got tired of them.
Tired. Yeah, it's on me too, the fly?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's following us.
And they're in my hair now.
That's why I checked walking. Hey guys, we're just gonna walk down, get harassed a little bit and head back. For right now. Nah. So I just on the beach. Jet ski.
Yeah, take my clothes off.
You can just politely tell them no thank you, man. They'll leave it like that. Some of them will keep talking to you a little bit.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Yeah, you get tired of getting stopped. Just don't let them stop you. You gotta tell them no thank you and keep walking. If they stop, if you stop, then they know how to talk and keep you there for a minute. They're gonna offer you everything free. Free this, free that, free this. Watch. No thank you, man. See? No thank you. Little babe, right here is dry. You wanna walk on the flat right here? The waves are calmer now. I don't think it's gonna fuck your shoe up. You think it is? Look right here. It's not gonna go in there. Look right here. No, it's not like last night right now. Come on, babe. It's more flat. It's a little workout.
See, I wasn't getting no sand inside my shoe. Now I'm getting it.
All right, come on. Let's go back there. Doing hills now. Down, up.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Nothing interesting. Just walking. Because you can see nobody down there. We'll get back to you.